Okay, so now I'm just going to turn the hand wheel and show you. So this is the one I think it is, and it's as this red dot is coming up, it gets stuck there. Stuck there. And third time, stuck. I don't think it's this one over here, because stuck. 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 And you know, the sewing machine, the needle and everything, all that rest of it seems to be fine. I you know, I do actually think it's this one that's causing the problem. Don't know if you can sort of see the teeth or anything from, but it's just there. I think my granddad might have made these red dots to show where the problem was. But yeah, I can't see anything on the metal one. Sorry, I'm going out of focus a little bit. So it'd be opposite to that one, so it'd be sort of somewhere from around here. Yeah, I don't see anything in the metal teeth causing a problem. That's all I can really think that it could possibly be.